Hello, in this 1.20.1 Minecraft modpack development video, um, we're going to be taking a look on how to use KubeJS to ban certain words from being put into the chat. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or video ideas, and subscribe to the channel to never miss future uploads. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They provide amazing game server hosting, including Minecraft, but plenty of others as well, with plenty of great benefits as you can see on the screen here. If you find any of this interesting, please check out my affiliate link in the description below. That will bring you to the website that I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform a possible purchase, which aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to Bisect Hosting for supporting the channel. But now let's get started with the video. So before we get into the actual event listener, we're going to define our banned words list. For example, I'm just going to put word 1, word 2, and word 3. Obviously, you can replace this with plenty of resources online that you don't want to be put in the chat. But how this works is here we use the PlayerEvents.chat event listener. So as you can see, this is invoked whenever a player sends a chat message. It's a cancelable event, so hint we will be using that. But all you need to pass in is an event handler, and now we're ready to get started in here. So the first thing we're going to do before we actually read our message is we're going to convert it to all lowercase. So constant message is equal to event.message.to lowercase. So here in your banned words list, you can just make them all lowercase, and that makes a little more sense. It takes up less room. And now we can read the message. So what we're going to do, we're going to do that with if banned words dot sum. So this JavaScript function determines whether the specified callback function returns true for any element of an array. So we're going to be reading the message variable that we just made in line 8 and then compare it to the banned words list. So then we're going to put bad word. We're just going to call it bad word as the handler. And then we're going to do message dot includes bad word. So this condition is going to go through the message that we just made, convert it to lowercase obviously, and compare it to all of the banned words in the list. So if that's true, we can do event.player.tell, just something like your message was blocked due to inappropriate language. And then we event.cancel. So event.cancel just does not allow the chat message to be sent. But otherwise, it works. So feel free to test this in game with any example words that you want, or that you plan on testing on your mod pack or server. You could use this on the server as well, and I'd imagine it'd be quite useful there as well. If you found this tutorial informative, please give the video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel to never miss out on future uploads. In addition, again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.